What's going on, Boost Nation? Today I'm going to show you guys how to install windshield wipers. The ones that I have are rainx ones. My stock ones are pretty much streaking now, so that's why I need to get new ones. So here's my new ones I'm going to install. Make sure you measure yours out, or at least read your owner's manual and see what size you need. The 24 inch is for my driver's side. I got the weather beater ones. So it has everything on how to install it on the back too. It's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna have 16 inches for the passenger side. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is install the driver's side one. This is the driver's side. So there's a little tab right here. Press down on it. And then you can pull it off. Let me see if I can show you guys. So you're going to pull the tab, then press down on it. There's be like a little hook there. And then you can just pull it off. There we go. That's off. Let's see if I can show you guys the tab. It's inside there. So next you just want to match everything up. Make sure it's the same size. This is the rainx new one that I have, and this is the old one. And looks like it's the same size, so time to install it. Alright, so you're gonna insert it and kind of line it up right there. Lock it in. There, it's all locked in. This would be the tab you press down so you can take it off, but mine is installed now. rainx. And that's the one side complete. Time to do the passenger side now. Same exact process on this side. Tab up, then push it. There we go. Now time to pull it off. So push and then slide down. Comes right off. Oh shit. Old one. New one. And then slide it in. Alright, everything's all in. Locked in place. Just gotta test it. Clean. Alright guys, any comments or questions, let me know. This is nice and easy, so anyone can do this. So any video suggestions, just let me know. See you guys next time.